in this video, I'm going to show you how to update Java for modern Minecraft mod support. Many newer Minecraft mods require a recent version of Java to run properly. First, open your web browser and go to the official Java website or the Eclipse Adaptium website. Next, download the latest 64-bit version of Java for your PC. Once the download is complete, open the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to install or update Java. When the installation is finished, restart your PC to make sure the changes take effect. So the next time you launch Minecraft or your modded launcher, it will be able to use the updated Java installation. Keep in mind that different Minecraft versions may require different Java versions. For example, Minecraft 1.20.5 and the newer requires Java 21, while some older versions use Java 17 or Java 8. And that's it. Thanks for watching.